Welcome to the Philippines. Ladies and gentlemen, we are departing for the different regions in the Philippines. This is your flight purser EJ, your tour guide for today. Just sit back, relax, and buckle up because we will be learning in great heights. Mga binibining at Ginoo, brace yourself as we prepare for takeoff. Magandang araw Luzon, Visayas at Mindanao. Mga binibining at Ginoo, maupay na pag-abot hanrehiyon otso. Mapagpasalamaton kami nga kauban ug kuyog kamo kanamo sa biyaheng ito. Tara na, pagkadi kamo. Let's explore, experience, and enjoy. First stop, first look and listen. Tandaan, papunta pa lang tayo sa exciting part. Una nating alamin ang deskripsyon at mga facts sa rehiyong ito.
Eastern Visayas, or in Filipino Silangang Kabisayaan, or in Wari-Waray Sinirangan Bisaya, is one of the 17 regions of the Philippines designated as Region A. It is composed of three main islands, Leyte and Samar, connected by the San Juanico Bridge, and Biliran Island. It consists of 6 provinces, namely Biliran, Eastern Samar, Leyte, Northern Samar, Samar, and Southern Leyte. The highly urbanized city of Tacloban is Eastern Visayas Regional Center, or EVRC. These provinces and cities occupy the easternmost islands of Visayas group of islands. It is one of only 2 regions having no land border, with another region, Mimaropa, being the other. The current name of the region was derived from its location in the Greater Visayas area. The name was coined by American colonialists after the takeover of the islands when the First Philippine Republic was officially defeated by the Americans. There have been proposals to rename the current Eastern Visayas region, which is dominated by the Wari ethnic group in the east and the Cebuano ethnic group in the west, into Mayoriti-Iberan region. Transportation in the Eastern Visayas is not a problem. Via air, it has domestic airports servicing the region, and these are Borongan Airport, Calbayog Airport, Ormoc Airport in Leyte, and Catarman National Airport, which services charter planes. There is also the Tacloban City Airport, or also known as Daniel Z. Romualdez Airport, serves as the main gateway from Manila to Cebu to Eastern Visayas. Transportation by land and sea are also available in the region. Via land, all cities and capital town in the region are accessible by bus from Manila, Cebu, and Davao. The biggest regional terminal is at Tacloban City, where buses and vans have direct connection to all cities and provincial capitals in the region. The 5 major seaports or ferry terminal of entry to the region is at Silago, Southern Leyte, for buses coming from the islands of Mindanao, Bato, Leyte for buses coming from islands of Bohol, Palumpon, Leyte for buses coming from Cebu, and the 2 ferry terminals at Alin, Northern Samar for buses coming from Luzon Island. The islands of Leyte, Samar, and Biliran are interconnected by a bridge with the beautiful San Juanico Bridge connecting Leyte and Samar Islands. Region 8 has 6 provinces, 12 districts, 7 cities, 136 municipalities, and 4,390 barangays. Let us get to know more of the provinces of the Region 8, starting with the Paradise and Discovered Province, the province of Biliran. The province of Biliran is an island province in the country, Philippines, located in the Eastern Visayas region, or the Region 8. Biliran is one of the country's smallest and newest provinces, formerly a sub-province of Leyte, and it became an independent province in 1992. Biliran lies less than a kilometer north of the island of Leyte. A bridge causeway fixed link over Poro Island in the gateway town of Biliran connects the province to Leyte. Its capital is the municipality of Naval on the western coast of the island. The province of Biliran. Let us now go to the gateway to Philippine discovery, the province of Eastern Samar. The province of Eastern Samar is a province in the Philippines located in the Eastern Visayas region. Its capital is the city of Borongan, Eastern Samar. The province occupies the eastern portion of the island of Samar. Bordering the province to the north is the province of Northern Samar, and to the west is Samar Province. To the east lies the Philippine Sea, part of the vast Pacific Ocean, while to the south lies the Leyte Gulf. Next up, the land of history, the province of Leyte. Leyte is a province in the Philippines located in the regionate, occupying the northern three-quarters of Leyte Island. Its capital is the city of Tacloban, administered independently from the province. Leyte is situated west of Samar Island, north of southern Leyte, and south of Biliran. To the west across the Camotes Sea is the province of Cebu. A journey back in time. Welcome to the province of Northern Samar. Northern Samar is a province in the Philippines located in the eastern Visayas region. Its capital is Catarman and is located at the northern portion of the island of Samar. Bordering the province to the south are the provinces of Samar and Eastern Samar. To the northwest across the San Bernardino Strait is Sorsogon. To the east is the Philippine Sea, and to the west is Samar Sea. The province of Northern Samar. Splendor between mountain and sea, here is more to the province of Samar. Samar, formerly named as Western Samar, is a province in the Philippines located in the eastern Visayas region. Its capital is the city of Catbalogan. It is bordered by the Northern Samar, Eastern Samar, Leyte, and the Leyte Gulf, and includes several islands in the Samar Sea. Samar is connected to the islands of Leyte via the San Juanico Bridge. Hello, province of Southern Leyte, the centuries-old charmer. The province of Southern Leyte is a province in the Philippines located in the eastern Visayas region. Its capital is the city of Maasin. Southern Leyte comprised the 3rd Congressional District Leyte until it was made into an independent province in 1959. Southern Leyte includes Limasawa, an island to the south where the first Roman Catholic Mass in the Philippines is believed to have taken place and thus considered to be the birthplace of Roman Catholicism in the Philippines, the province of Southern Leyte.
Ngayon, lakbayin at alamin naman natin ang heograpiya at klima sa rehiyon.
Region 8 is located in the eastern side of the Philippines, and thus the name Eastern Visayas. It has no land border with another region and is separated from the southeastern part of Luzon by the San Bernardino Strait and from the northeastern part of Mindanao by the Surigao Strait. On its west lie the islands of Cebu and Bohol and the Maqueda Bay, Camotes Sea, and the Visayan Sea that separates it from other Visayan regions, while on its east are the Leyte Gulf, the Philippine Sea, and the Pacific Ocean. In addition, the region has a total land area of 21,431.7 square kilometer. It encompasses the 2 large islands of Samar, the 3rd largest island in the country, and Leyte, the 8th largest island in the country, the province of Biliran, and several minor islands. The northern portion of Leyte is extensively flat, while its southern and southwestern areas are mountainous. Samar, on the other hand, is a lot of mountainous ranges with forests and deep valleys, and Biliran ranges from slightly flat to gently rolling terrain. It has coastal lowland with mountainous interior except for the municipalities of Naval and Caibiran, which have wider plains and rolling terrain. 39% of the region's land have slopes ranging from 0 to 18%. These level to nearly level lands are suitable for agriculture, seasonal and permanent crops. Majority of 51% are described as steep to rolling areas having slopes in the range of 18% to 50%. Lands with slopes inside this range are suitable for timber production. The remaining 10% have slopes exceeding 50% and are very steep and mountainous. Areas such as these are called cloud forest and are better left untouched as they maintain the cleanliness of the air, sustain the supply of water, and help stabilize the soil to prevent landslides. For the climate matter, there are 2 types of climate prevail in the region, Type 2 and Type 4. Type 2 climate is characterized by the absence of a dry season and month with a pronounced maximum rain period from December to February and the minimum monthly rainfall occurring from March to May. Areas with Type 2 climate are often found along the eastern coast. Northern Samar and Eastern Samar experience this type of climate. On the other hand, Type 4 climate is similar to Type 2 as both do not have dry seasons. The difference is that rainfall in Type 4 climate is more or less evenly distributed throughout the year. Samar, Leyte, and Southern Leyte and Biliran are classified under Type 4 climate. In addition, this region is also visited frequently by typhoons originating from the Pacific Oceans.
Ika nga nila, kultura ang espiritu ng isang lipunan, kaya't halina't alamin, makasayaw at kulayan natin ang mga kultura sa Rehiyon 8.
Majority of the household population in Leyte classify themselves as Binisaya or Bisaya with 39.94%, Waray-Waray with 37.62%. Other ethnic groups included Cebuano 20.25%, Tagalog for 0.34%, and Kankanay for 0.11%.
Hanap mo ba ay kasiyahan at kamanghaan? Atin nang simulan ang mga nagagandahang atraksyon sa turismo sa rehiyong ito.
The region is known for its famous landmark, the San Juanico Bridge, dubbed as the most beautifully designed and the longest bridge in the Philippines. More of that tourist attraction are these 7 jaw-dropping and mesmerizing tourism attractions in the region. We have first the attraction in the province of Biliran, the Tinago Falls in Caibiran, Biliran, Philippines. The most hypnotic waterfalls magnificently lay its beauty in the heart of Caibiran rainforest, a loop trail taking 10 minutes from the highway, a hideaway that blends perfectly for nature lovers, rich blend of trees, vines, and other exotic plants accompanied by the cooling and enchanting sounds of rushing streams. Next, we have this attraction in the Eastern Samar, the Immaculate Conception Church found in Giwan, Eastern Samar, Philippines. The Immaculate Conception Parish Church, commonly known as Giwan Church, is a Roman Catholic church in the municipality of Giwan, Eastern Samar, within the jurisdiction of the Diocese of Borongan. The church is classified as a National Cultural Treasure by the National Museum of the Philippines. It was formerly nominated to the UNESCO World Heritage Sites of the Philippines under 2 categories, the Baroque Churches of the Philippines and the Jesuit Churches of the Philippines. This is MacArthur Landing Memorial Park in the province of Leyte. MacArthur Landing Memorial Park is located at the Red Beach, Palo, Leyte. This park reminds us of an important event in history, the return of General Douglas MacArthur. This was the fulfillment of his promise to the Filipino people to come back and help free the Philippines from the Japanese. At the heart of the park by the beach is a man-made pool with bigger-than-life bronze statues of General MacArthur, President Sergio Osmeña Jr., and many more. This is one of the tourism attraction in northern Samar, the Biri Island. Biri Island is the most interesting town in northern Samar. It is known for its splendid rock formation carved through time due to ferocious waves of the San Bernardino Strait that lap up the eastern portion of its shore. The picturesque Biri rock formation is composed of 7 gigantic limestone rocks, showcasing itself as an awe-inspiring natural wonder with unique carved forms. It is now one of the great attractions in this area. Another tourism attraction in the region is the Suhoton Caves and Natural Bridge Park in Visayas, Samar. Suhoton Natural Bridge Natural Park is divided by the Suhoton River, which is surrounded by thick, lush jungle covering majestic limestone cliffs. The natural park is situated in the island of Samar in the eastern Visayas and can be accessed easily from Tacloban City. The entire area is 455,700 hectares, home of the various wildlife, rivers, and cave connections. These are the attractions in the province of Southern Leyte. We have here the Agas Bridge in Sugod, Southern Leyte. The Agas Bridge is the highest bridge in the Philippines. This bridge crosses a deep ravine in the eastern Visayas region of the country. The scenic location inspired the highway department to build a viewing deck on top of one of the piers in the middle of the bridge, as well as parking areas on both sides with comfort rooms to rest. Future plans include the possibility of a bungee jump operation from the span. Another tourism attraction in the province of Southern Leyte is the Limasawa Island. Limasawa is a well-known historical tourist destination in Southern Leyte. It was the site of the first Christian mass in Asia, igniting the rise of Christianity in the Philippines. But there's more than that. The island has beautiful beaches with rock formations where you may plunge into the blue sea. You may spend the entire day snorkeling or swimming among the locals and marine animals. Other significant places on the island include the National Shrine of the First Catholic Mass in the Philippines and caverns.
Hindi kompleto ang iyong paglalakbay kung walang kakanin na iyong maiuwi sa bahay. Ito ang ilan sa mga masasarap na kakanin na tiyak sa ating paglalakbay, ika'y gugutumin.
Our first delicacy is the binagol from Eastern Samar. Binagol is pronounced with a longer stress on the A. Binagol is made of root crop named talyan, coconut milk, and sugar. It is then molded into a coconut shell. Binagol is quite sweet with a distinct taste of the root crop. Another delicacy in the region is the muron, still from Eastern Samar. Muron is pronounced like murong. Moron is like the regular suman, but the rice is cooked in coconut milk and mixed with a bit of cocoa tablets. The moron has a similar consistency of the suman, and the cocoa enhances the taste. Moron is so soft that you can cut the small tube with a pair of scissors down the middle and just squeeze it out. You can go through a lot really quick.
Mga binibining ginang at Ginoo, nalibot na natin ang Rehiyon 8. Sa mga susunod na araw, ibang rehiyon naman ang ating talakayin at lakbayin. Muli, this is your flight purser, E.G. Galion. Maraming salamat. Daghang salamat. Damo nga salamat ha iyong natanan.